Hey there, if you're a working mom, you already know the kitchen can feel like mission control for chaos, right? Especially in the mornings. Well, today, that's all gonna change. We're about to dive into 27 amazing hacks that are gonna give you back hours of your life.
I mean, does this sound familiar? You wake up, you stumble into the kitchen, and before you've even had a sip of tea, you are just completely wiped out. The breakfast rush, packing lunches, the cleanup, it's a lot. You're definitely not alone in feeling that way, but listen, it really doesn't have to be your reality. Just imagine what you could do with an extra 2 hours. Every single day. That's what we're talking about here. And this isn't some kind of magic trick. It's just about working smarter, not harder. These are real, practical tips that are actually designed for a life as busy as yours. And you are definitely going to want to stick around for this whole explainer. Why? Because hack number 17, it is an absolute game changer. I'm not kidding. That one hack by itself could save you 20 minutes every single morning. Okay, let's get right into it. Our first batch of hacks is all about laying the groundwork. It's all about preparation. You know, a little bit of smart thinking at the start of the week can set you up for a week that's smooth, fast, and way less stressful. So let's get into these. First up, hack number 1, bulk garlic prep. We all know what a pain it is to peel sticky garlic cloves every day. So just take 10 minutes on Sunday, peel a whole bunch, and pop it in an airtight container in the fridge. Done. One less annoying job to do every night. All right, hack 2, ginger garlic ice cubes. This is genius. Blend up a big batch of ginger and garlic, maybe with a touch of oil, and freeze it in an ice cube tray. When you're cooking, you just pop out a cube and toss it in the pan. Instant flavor, zero daily mess. Okay, hack 4 is a total lifesaver, boil eggs in bulk. Just boil, say, 6 or 8 eggs at the beginning of the week. Suddenly, you have the easiest grab-and-go breakfast or a perfect protein snack ready at a moment's notice. And finally, hack 5, the onion storage trick. Come on, chopping onions and the crying that comes with it, it's the worst. So, chop a few at once, put them in an airtight container, and you are good to go for days. You'll be so glad you did.
And now for hack number 3, which honestly feels like a cheat code. Just look at this, using kitchen scissors instead of a knife. I know it sounds almost too simple, right? But for things like fresh herbs, it's incredible. You just snip them right over the pot or salad. No cutting board, no mess. It's faster, it's cleaner, and it's one less thing to wash. Seriously, try it.
Oh, and hack number 7, the beautiful simplicity of one-pot cooking. This will be your absolute best friend on a busy weeknight. I'm talking about cooking your main and your side in the same pot, or a pasta dish where the noodles cook right there in the sauce. The math is easy. Less time cooking, plus way less time cleaning. It's a total win-win. Let's finish up our prep section with 3 more absolute power moves. First, hack number 6, the electric kettle shortcut. If you're waiting for water to boil on the stove for pasta or whatever, you're losing time. Boil it in the electric kettle first. It's so much faster than pour it in the pot. It can literally shave minutes off your cooking time. Next, hack number 8, the ready masala mix. This can slash your Indian cooking time in half. Instead of starting from scratch with onions, tomatoes, and spices every single day, make a big batch of the base on a weekend. When it's time to cook, you're already halfway done. And hack number 9, please use your food processor. Don't let it sit there collecting dust. In 10 minutes on a Sunday, you can chop a week's worth of carrots, cabbage, you name it. They're all ready to be tossed into stir-fries or salads all week.
All right, foundation is set. Now, let's talk about the big one, conquering the morning chaos. These next few hacks, they're your secret weapons for making your mornings feel calm, organized, and just easy.
Okay, the number 1 rule for calm mornings is to do as much as you possibly can the night before. So, hack 10, overnight prep. Soaking your oats, making your batter, kneading your dough, do it before you go to sleep. Morning you is going to be so grateful. Hack 11 is the same idea. Get your sandwich filling ready. Don't wait until the morning madness to chop veggies and mix things. Get the filling done the night before, and in the morning, all you have to do is assemble. It turns a 10-minute job into a 2-minute one. For perfect eggs without any stress, you need hack 12, the egg boiler. This little appliance is a huge time saver. No more watching a pot, no more guessing. You just press a button and get perfect eggs while you do other things. And hack 13 is a lifesaver for anyone who makes fresh bread or rotis. Freeze dough balls. Make your dough, roll it into balls, and freeze them. You can literally go from the freezer to a hot pan in seconds.
Let's keep that morning momentum going, okay? Hack 14 is so simple but so powerful. Plan lunches the night before. Just deciding what to pack removes that dreaded morning decision fatigue. No more staring into the fridge completely stressed out. Next, hack 15, Get friendly with your air fryer. It is perfect for whipping up quick snacks or breakfast items, and the best part is, you don't have to stand there and babysit it. Then there's Hack 16, a must for anyone with kids. Portion fruit boxes. Wash and chop fruit ahead of time and pop it into little grab-and-go containers. Easy, healthy snacks for everybody. And finally, Hack 18, which brings glorious order to the chaos. Set up a breakfast station. Have one spot on your counter for everything: tea, coffee, mugs, cereal. It creates this smooth little assembly line instead of a frantic treasure hunt.
And here we go, the one I promised you. Hack number 17, the tea decoction trick that is going to blow your mind. It's so easy. Step 1, the night before. Just brew a really strong tea concentrate. Step 2, let it cool and store it in a jar in your fridge. And now for the magic. Step 3, in the morning, you just pour a little of that concentrate into your mug, add hot milk, and you're done. That's it. You have just saved the 15 or 20 minutes you would normally spend brewing fresh tea. Every single day.
Now, if you're already feeling like this is life-changing, get ready. We're about to go from individual tricks to something way more powerful. These next few hacks aren't just about saving a minute here and there. They're about creating an entire kitchen system that works for you.
So welcome to the final and, I think, most powerful section. This is where we put it all together. We're going to build a system that makes being efficient in the kitchen just second nature. It's about making your space work for you, not against you.
Let's build this thing. Hack 19 is a habit that will change your life. Clean while you cook. Instead of letting a giant mountain of dishes pile up, just wash things as you go. By the time dinner is served, you're already 90% done with cleanup. Hack 20 is the foil or butter paper trick. This is your secret weapon against scrubbing. Before you roast or bake anything, just line the pan. Afterwards, you just throw the lining away. It's zero-effort cleanup. Okay, hack 21. Freeze leftovers immediately. Don't let them die a slow death in the back of the fridge. Portion them out and freeze them right away. You're basically creating your own stash of healthy, homemade ready meals. Hack 22 is so simple. Label everything. In your pantry, in your freezer, you'll always know what you have, which means less waste. And Hack 23 will make you fall in love with your cabinets. Get a Lazy Susan. It's perfect for spices or those awkward corner cabinets. One spin, and you can find anything in seconds.
And here are the final habits that bring your whole smart system together. Hack 24 is the front access rule. The things you use every day, oil, salt, your go-to spices, keep them right at the front where you can grab them. No more digging around. Hack 25 is a weekend power move, weekend batch cooking. Spend just an hour on Sunday cooking a few basics like a big pot of rice or some grilled veggies. Then you can mix and match them all week for super fast meals. Hack 26 is about letting go. Use timers for everything. Set a timer and walk away. Trust it. It frees you up to do other things instead of hovering over the stove. And finally, maybe the most important habit of them all, Hack 27, the 5-minute reset. Before you leave the kitchen for the night, set a timer for 5 minutes and just tidy up. Wipe the counters, put the last dishes away. Waking up to a clean kitchen is a gift you give to your future self.
So we've gone through 27 hacks, but what does it all really mean? This isn't just about the how, it's about the why. It's about what you get back when you put these systems into place. It's about getting your time and your sanity back. This is the real transformation. I'm talking no more morning panic attacks, cooking that's actually faster with so much less cleaning. A kitchen that feels like your partner, not your enemy. And the biggest prize of all, more precious time. Time for your family, or maybe just time for you.
Because really, when it comes down to it, that's what this is all about. This was never just about saving a few minutes chopping an onion. It's about redesigning a huge part of your daily life so that you can live a life that's fuller, calmer, and just happier.
So now I've got a question for you. Out of all 27 of these, which one are you going to try first? I'd love to know, because even just starting with one is going to make a huge difference. And I am so excited for you to feel that change. Thanks so much for watching.